Hey there, I'm Tori Toth, and if you're thinking about buying a home, I'd love to be the one to guide you through the process. When you work with me, you're not just hiring an agent, you're getting a strategic partner, a design-minded advisor, and someone who truly advocates for what you want. I start by getting to know you, your lifestyle, your goals, and what home really means to you. From there, I don't just send listings. I curate smart options that match your vision, and I help you see the potential in each space, thanks to my background in home staging and design. When you're ready to make an offer, I bring strategy and experience to the table. I helped 17 buyers last year alone, so I know what it takes to stand out in competitive markets and negotiate confidently in slower ones. And through it all, I keep the process clear and stress-free with consistent communication and thoughtful guidance. You'll never feel lost in the details. I've got you covered. Bottom line, I care deeply about helping you not just buy a house, but find the one that feels like home. I can't wait to make this an exciting and empowering journey together. What are you waiting for? Contact me today.